your Storm Track weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Miller.
Some big changes on the way over the next 24 to 48 hours. The high heat and humidity that we've had over the last several days will finally come to an end, but it doesn't always go away peacefully. Breezy, warm conditions for tonight and a chance for some storms later tomorrow. Some of those could be strong to severe during the afternoon hours, and then additional rains will move in during the evening late on into the overnight. And at that same time, windy and rainy conditions may move through. We'll get rid of that, and less humid air should be in place by Wednesday. Here's a look at the cloud coverage, kind of building in here and there, some scattered clouds, nothing too significant. Tomorrow, though, there's a look at where we are anticipating the potential for severe weather. And it may be about this time tomorrow that some strong storms are developing. Hail, wind, maybe an isolated tornado threat out of storms if they develop. And there's a bit of a question mark to how many we'll get, but at least that potential will be there late in the day tomorrow. After that chance goes by, then we get a second wave of this system behind the cold front. We get some rain moving through, but also high wind during the night into early Wednesday. And then Wednesday, the winds stick with us through the day. Right now, scattered clouds at Manhattan as well as in Topeka. Some of those high clouds up overhead, part of that tropical system Cristobal, which has been moving from the Gulf of Mexico through Louisiana, now into Arkansas, getting closer. 92 degrees, southerly winds at 13 miles per hour. Not terribly muggy right this moment in Topeka, so the heat index goes up to 94. Another day well above average, 72 and 92, the high and low today. 92 at Topeka, it's 87 at St. Mary's and also at Riley, 88 at Council Grove. So very warm, a bit on the hot side again, still quite muggy, especially Manhattan to Marysville, dew points in the low 70s. That's where the highest humidity is kind of building up at this point. And that's driving the heat index to 95 at Manhattan, 98 for Concordia. So definitely a lot of heat in place, but also a breeze coming in anywhere from about 12 to as high as 26 miles per hour. The wind is going to be a big deal over the next 36 hours or so. Not so much tonight. Through the day tomorrow, the southerly winds pick up, and then the first push of dry air comes in and the winds turn southwest. During the night, behind the cold front, look at these strong northwest winds, sustained at times over 30 miles per hour. Heading into Wednesday, and the gusts may well exceed 50 miles per hour. That'll be tomorrow night. Tonight, we're watching this cloud cover building in from the south. Areas of rain over Arkansas moving up toward Missouri. There's another system coming in from the west that'll push the cold front our way. So we have tropical now depression Cristobal, which is moving northward through Missouri. The rain should stay to our east with that. You'll see that on FutureTrack. We get some clouds, but the rain stays east of the state line. Then tomorrow during the day, here comes this chance for some scattered thunderstorms, and then wrapping around with the wind will be a second chance of rain during the night, and then we clear out on Wednesday. Here's a look at the humidity level. You can really see it building in tomorrow. It gets muggy. The dry line comes in, and this is where we'll look for storm development along that north of there into the evening hours. Then the cold front sweeps on through, and we get much drier air by Wednesday. But again, that chance for some strong to severe storms in the process. 71 tonight, southeast wind 10 to 15, 89 for the high temperature tomorrow. Another muggy day. The heat index could still hit the low to mid 90s late in the day tomorrow. 60% chance of storms in the evening, 40% chance of rain lingering in the early hours of Wednesday. Then we'll clear out. Windy, becoming sunny with a high of 78. But look at these lows, upper 50s for a couple of nights. Still warm highs in the mid 80s Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, but not too humid. Starting to heat up a bit more, though, toward the tail end of the weekend and on into early next week.